Hey there, this is Fabian, owner of FC Auto Detailing, and I'm just want to say thank you and let y'all know about Geek Clicks. It's a super good company. Ed and his team have been killing it with the ads for me. I've been having amazing results and just more than happy with all the work they have put into. Yeah, I would definitely recommend them to anyone. Right now, I'm about to start ads for ceramic coatings specifically, and I'm 100% sure that that's gonna go well for me. There's a lot more projects that I have planned for him to help me with, and I just know he's gonna be my go-to for whenever I need someone to manage ads and do all the landing pages and everything. And if one day I wanna do it on my own, I'm more than sure that his courses are gonna be the best for me, and he always gonna be there for whatever reason, any question I get. Yeah, if you wanna keep your business booked out, I have to pause my ads pretty much every 3 to 4 days on the week. Sometimes only 2 days on the week. That's enough to book the whole week. Just more than happy with it. Shout outs to them and hope y'all see this on YouTube or his website. I don't know where he's putting it. Thank you.